Hello, Tony Vera, TV News. I found this article online about Santa Monica police officer Mora. He has a history of playing with the body cam footage. Read this article I found online. He actually deleted this lady's cell phone footage. He actually turned my footage off. And they got a lawyer, subpoenaed the footage. They got it back. A lot of it was missing and edited it. So the city of Santa Monica is quite aware of this cop. And like I said, he shouldn't be a cop because he's going to put away a lot of people that are innocent. And I'm surprised that the city of Santa Monica keeps this cop on. And I was not shocked when I read this article about police officer Mora. If you want to see my case, look in the description. It's a lot of videos that I did. But they got a summary judgment against me based on lies. And I can't believe a federal judge went for it. Thanks for listening.